Plastic pipes have become indispensable in today's world. There are many possible applications: water pipes, gas pipes, heating, and sewage systems. Plastic pipes offer durable solutions for different challenges. Plastic pipes have many advantages. They're lighter, more flexible, easier to lay, and have a higher life expectancy. And they can be installed 30% faster than metal pipes. That's why demand for plastic pipes is increasing. Plastic pipes are reliable. Compared to rigid pipes, there are 75% fewer leaks. But plastic pipes are also sustainable. They remain in use for periods of over 100 years and can be recycled afterwards. This protects the environment. And did you know that plastic is made from crude oil? Oil, more than just fuel.